Started your career as a physician. What inspired you to join the pharmaceutical industry?
Well, as a physician, I worked in Africa, and I was combined doing research and clinical work. And the devastation of HIV in Africa was what inspired me to try to find new drugs for the disease, because as a physician, I couldn't do anything to keep people alive and giving them comfort at that moment. And that's where I got my inspiration to continue to work on the solution now already 25 years ago.
J&J is one of the global leaders in innovation. What is the secret of your success?
Well, the secret of success is first of all, focus on the clinical benefit of drugs, and on your science, and connect the science with clinical outcome, and try to inspire everyone who is involved in that work with that ultimate clinical outcome, which is always years of life, years of quality of life. Whether it's HIV, hepatitis, for cure, whether it is cancer, can you bring people back to a healthy state that they can live a better life? So that's the first one. The second is taking an innovative approach to how do you do that, and that is by sourcing innovation internally with your researchers, but also allowing them to find the best type of science externally. And with that, you have a better chance for success. And then externally, we build a huge innovation network outside of the company where we learn and where we collaborate. And it's very attractive for our people to be interacting with external entrepreneurs. So it's all about motivation to make science work for clinical outcome.
So you gave a fantastic keynote for which you received a standing ovation. How would you define impact as a CSO of J&J?
Well, impact is in the end resulting in the quality of life or the benefit we bring to the patient. And if you do that well with good products, your business works. And if the business works, you grow, and if you grow, you can invest more and you can return to the investors. So it's a very strong connection between impact on life, impact on benefit to patients, to consumers, to people who use our product, and then the success of the company. And for me, I'm in the best position in the company, the head of R&D. I only have to work on good science for good outcome, and with that, our company thrives, and with that, we do better and better, and that keeps us going.
So what do you think of the GapSummit initiative?
I think it's a fantastic initiative, encouraging young people with listening and interacting with established or experienced research and development executives is very important. Because first of all, you have to put your aspiration very high. If you enter into this space, you have to be there to make a real difference in the world. If you make a real difference in the world, you can build a good biotech. So, and I think I'm inspired to talk to people because I want to make them believe and understand that it is possible. So if you have a good aspiration and work hard and long-term commitment, you can make it work. And so I'm here to encourage people to take the risk, to step into biotech, to live their young lives very productive. And with that will come success, and people will drive it. So it's fantastic, it's global, very diverse, people from all parts of the world, and everyone will take their information from here to work in their environment to be entrepreneurial. And I'm very, very happy that I was here to contribute to that.
Fantastic, that's all. It's been a really great interview. Thank you so much for this.
My pleasure, thank you very much.
Brilliant.